Modifying soil composition to create organic-rich loam is the most reliable long-term strategy to discourage ants from establishing nests in your yard. Start by understanding that ants prefer loose, dry, sandy soils because they are easy to excavate and drain quickly. To shift a sandy lawn toward loam, add deep layers of mature compost at least 3 inches thick across planting beds and perimeter planting zones, and work it into the top 6 inches of soil with a spade or broad fork. This increases water retention and binds loose particles so tunnels collapse more readily. Replace any loose sandy infill under patios and play areas with a screened loam blend of 70% topsoil and 30% compost, compacted lightly in thin lifts to avoid creating impervious layers. Lay 2 to 3 inches of coarse organic mulch around shrubs and trees, but keep mulch pulled back 1 to 2 inches from stems to prevent moisture rot. Mulch buffers temperature swings and preserves soil moisture, so ants lose the dry habitat they seek. For walkways and high traffic edges, install permeable fabric weed mats and cover with compacted decomposed granite or crushed stone. This creates a stable, low void surface ants cannot easily tunnel through while still allowing water infiltration. Build raised beds with at least 12 inches of a well-structured growing mix composed of equal parts mature compost, screened topsoil, and coarse sand to improve drainage but still provide organic matter. Maintain them by adding 2 to 3 inches of compost annually to prevent reversion to sandy conditions. Water deeply and infrequently to train the soil to hold moisture and encourage beneficial fungi and microbes that improve aggregation. Avoid chronic overwatering, which can create preferred nesting zones for other pests. Common problems include slow improvement in native sand, which makes homeowners impatient. Accelerate progress by prioritizing high-value zones like foundations, vegetable beds, and entryways first, and apply quarterly compost top dressings until texture changes are visible. Another issue is creating layering that repels water when large uncomposted material is added on top of fine sand. Prevent this by mixing amendments into the existing surface and adding thin, repeated applications rather than dumping large volumes in a single pass. Finally, disturbance during installation can temporarily displace ants into other areas. Reduce this by staging work in sections so adjacent zones remain stable, and by compacting walkways and infill immediately after placing amended material. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors who can implement these soil improvements and with other homeowners who have tried similar methods. Our discussion community lets us share before and after experiences, installation tips, and contractor recommendations so we can all make yards less attractive to nesting ants.